achievement is I won paper plane contest. I made paper plane from A4 paper. This is my certificate.
Certificate, okay.
And this year I make my own YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is AI channel. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Okay.
In 2021, I able to play skateboard professionally. This is because I go to skateboard class every Saturday.
My achievement of this year is Khatam Hafazan. With 24 surah in Juzuk 30.
That's great.
Besides that, I remember all the meanings of the 24 surah that I have Khatam. That's all. Thank you, everyone.